Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to log into eBay account. So first of all, we have to get into Google browser. So we are already here. So on the top, we will see there's an URL section. I'm going to type there ebay.com and enter it. So here we just landed to eBay website. So we could see there's a lot of products here. So to purchase this, we have to log in. So here we can see on the top section, there's my eBay. So I'm going to click it here. So here we can see there's an account informations just to sign in. And we could also use our email or username. And if we do not have an account, so we could create just right here. There's an create an account. And for already if we have an account, continue from email. So I'm going to type my email. And for furthermore process, we have to continue this. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you guys like it and please do subscribe, like and comment down below if you have any queries.